Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 3 questions for 3CO01 assessment for 2025-26. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. This slide introduces the role of people analytics within Company X and sets the foundation for the presentation. As a people analytics administrator, the primary responsibility is to collect, analyze, and interpret workforce data to support informed decision-making. People analytics enables HR professionals to move away from intuition-based decisions and instead rely on accurate evidence. For Company X, which currently has limited data management experience, this role is essential in improving internal capability and client outcomes. By analyzing trends such as absence, turnover, overtime, and performance, Company X can provide strategic insights to its clients. These insights help organizations improve productivity, employee engagement, and compliance. Overall, people analytics aligns HR practices with business objectives, ensuring decisions are measurable, consistent, and add real value. This slide focuses on the importance of using data to accurately identify organizational problems and trends. Reliable data allows people professionals to spot patterns that may not be immediately visible, such as increasing overtime, high employee turnover, or rising absence levels. At Company X, analyzing client data helps diagnose root causes rather than symptoms. For example, consistent overtime may indicate understaffing or poor scheduling. Using data supports proactive decision-making, allowing organizations to act before issues escalate. It also reduces risk by ensuring decisions are fair, consistent, and compliant with employment legislation. Data-driven insights enable Company X to provide practical, evidence-based recommendations to clients, improving workforce planning and operational efficiency. This approach strengthens credibility and ensures HR solutions are aligned with real organizational needs. This slide presents a bar chart to visually represent overtime hours worked by employees. Bar charts are effective for comparing individual values and quickly identifying disparities across teams. In the context of Blue Mountain Patisserie, the chart highlights which employees are working excessive overtime and whether workloads are evenly distributed. This visual approach makes the data easier to interpret for managers and stakeholders who may not be familiar with raw figures. High overtime levels can indicate resourcing gaps, inefficient processes, or peak demand periods. From a people perspective, prolonged overtime may increase fatigue, stress, and absence. Using this diagram supports evidence-based discussions around recruitment, shift planning, or process improvements. It enables Company X to clearly communicate risks and recommend targeted, data-led solutions. This slide uses a pie chart to illustrate overtime hours as a percentage of normal working hours. Pie charts are useful for showing proportions and helping stakeholders understand the scale of an issue. Presenting overtime in this way allows managers to quickly see how much additional time is being worked relative to contracted hours. High percentages may signal financial pressure due to overtime costs and potential compliance risks under working time regulations. For Company X, this type of analysis supports strategic workforce planning and budgeting decisions for clients. It also strengthens discussions around employee well-being and sustainable workloads. Using clear visuals ensures insights are accessible, supporting informed, balanced decision-making across the organization. This final slide explains how people analytics creates value for employees, organizations, and wider stakeholders. For employees, data-led decisions promote fairness, well-being, and improved working conditions. For organizations, people analytics supports efficiency, productivity, and cost control by aligning workforce strategies with business goals. Company X can use analytics to demonstrate measurable outcomes to clients, strengthening trust and long-term partnerships. Stakeholders benefit from improved compliance, transparency, and sustainable people practices. Continuous monitoring of workforce data allows organizations to adapt to change and continuously improve. As a people analytics administrator, Applying these insights ensures Company X delivers high-quality, evidence-based HR solutions that drive long-term value and strategic impact.